Did you know loud snoring could be a warning sign that your breathing is being blocked while you sleep? If you don't want to end like this, tap the like button, hit subscribe, and share this fast. Snoring happens when air cannot move smoothly through your throat. The soft tissues begin to vibrate, and that vibration creates the sound. But severe and chronic snoring is often caused by real airway obstruction. This can be linked to obstructive sleep apnea, where breathing repeatedly stops during the night. The solution starts with staying active, exercising regularly, and maintaining a healthy weight to support clearer breathing while you sleep.